Hello and welcome back to Astro Colony. In our last episode, we moved our base and attached it to the planetoid on this mountain on the planetoid. And then somebody mentioned in the chat that we might be able to even have attached it onto the side, onto the edge, the outer edge of the planet here. And I believe they're probably correct. But I want to just go and see if we can try it. If we had 6 iron plates, those are here. Look at that. All right, let's try that. Just because I want to see, but it basically has to be on the ledge like we did the last time. But it makes sense that it would be able to be placed, yeah, like here, for example. Not as many places as I thought, at least not on this side of the planet, which is kind of interesting. I was expecting a bit more, for sure. But I guess it's... What does it have to do with? Honestly, I can't really tell what it is. I guess it's a flat edge followed by a smooth or a reasonably level slope. But it's not, I don't know. There's not very much there anyway. There's a few over here, but that wouldn't be very helpful. There's probably some over here. There's one there. Yeah, there's not very much in the way of places to attach it, even on the edge of this. On the edge of this planetoid. So the mountain is fine. Someone suggested that I could and possibly should dig a tunnel straight through this mountain to the other side just for fun. Maybe we will. We'll see. But today what I want to do is start or continue with the automation. Someone suggested possibly building upward so that we could capture, so we could you know, connect up more things here, and I think that's a good idea. But we need to have the tubes first, and the tubes are here, the transport pipes, which means we also need to figure out how to make glass. And I don't know where the transport pipes are in the tech tree. T for tech tree. Let's see where we're at here. We haven't figured out glass yet. Solar energy, that could be useful. Hangar, vertical construction. There it is right there. Ladder, carbon stairs. Nope, that's not it either. Solar panel needs golden wire. Well, there's transport pipe. Okay, so we have to get to there before we could do that. So I think we're just going to keep going the way we're going then. Let's do, I mean, we could do some stuff, like put some of the manual stuff, maybe, like the recycler or whatever, up on a higher level. But I think given that, I'm just going to keep going on this level. So let's do some research. Let's see if we can do some research, I should say. We could do chemistry, which unlocks the next type of science. It takes the rods and the dirt and gets that. We could also work towards getting some humans in here. We'll need to set up some of these buildings first. And we can also do parts, which gives us gears and electronic parts, which we'll need for later business. Let's go ahead and do this chemistry one. It needs a lot of brain science, which we don't have. Oh, we have 17, so we don't need that much more. And it also needs 14 basic science. We have 43. So let's do some more brain science here. Go over here, grab some of these. Some of these. Oh, someone also told me the stack size is 99,999. So it's going to be a while before we hit those stack sizes. So I don't think there's a way to limit anything else, but we'll see. And then someone else also mentioned about being able to toggle this here. And I did that when I pushed this building down because I wanted to have fewer inputs than outputs. My inputs are, I think, mostly going to be from these types of sources. Although I can see having, you know, the stuff from the surface as well coming up here. Which is going to come through there, by the way. So we're going to figure that part out, how to get it from there over to here. Maybe we could sneak it in through here or something. Maybe. We'll see. But for now, we can't really do anything with it. We do need more power, so we should set that up. I think what I'm going to do is just do a squiggle belt here. Actually, I have power here on toolbar 1. Just do a squiggle belt and maybe push it back to... That should be enough, but... Let's go one more, just because. And I can move those other two back another time if we want, but for right now, we're just going to put them here. And then we'll do a belt. Nope. Here. Let's go this way, and then we can go this way with it. And we can go that way if I had the copper wire. If I only had a brain. Let's give you some of these. And meanwhile, these things are just crafting away. So I guess what I'm using a box to say, hey, let's half of everything we make of that type go into the box. The other half continue down the line. We could conceivably do the smelting of both iron and copper, and for that matter, gold later in the same smelter. But I wasn't sure of the stack sizes, and I wasn't sure about how I was going to jam these things up. Maybe that's better. It does slow them down, and you guys know how I like to build out my factories, so I think we'll keep it like this, and we'll see how that works out in the long run. Chemistry is unlocked. All right, can we have this here now? Oh, I didn't go loot the machine. Right. There. And then we'll do a logic block, splitter, here and here. And I think what I'm going to do to make this easy on myself is just yank all of this out. Yoink. And put it all back in here. Except that I want to have my 40 for reasons, TM. And then it'll just kind of distribute it. And we can do... Someone said there's a way to do ratio splits. Here we are. So I want to have, well, 0 going that way, of course. And I want to have 1, 2, 3 going that way for every one that's turning right. That way we get more evenly split here. And then you can't tab between these, which would be a nice thing to do. We'll do 2 and 1 there. And then we'll do 1 and 1 here. And I can always change this later as... you can't tab. Yeah, and enter just closes the thing. And then we'll do 1 and 1 here, and this one, and then that one on the end can do whatever it wants because it's not attached to anything important. We do need to take these out. Do. And do. And then we'll have to keep the rest of the space so that we can get the materials over here from the surface. I forgot to do this before we came down here, as per usual. Wait, did that just... No, okay. And I don't have any wire, because I spent it all. Was I having you make me wire? I was. Let's do some more. Nope, not that kind. Fine, you can make 1. That's fine. It's weird that there's different kinds of wire too. I mean, I get it in real life there are different kinds of wire, but this isn't really real life. It's kind of make-believe. And then we'll do this. And that. And now we have a bit more power here. We're at 92% efficient, so we're closer. We're not quite there yet, but we're closer. Okay. So we have that now. You're still yelling at me about the mine. We could work toward that too. But we can also go and start another... Nope, wrong button. Another technology here. We should do these before we move on to advanced mining, because advanced mining requires this chemistry science anyway. Let's just go ahead and do parts. That's going to need 12 brain science. I guess I didn't give you enough to do any more. We actually could use a lot more iron. Let's maybe go find an iron mine on the surface. Although, if you recall the last time, we were talking about... Excuse you, jeez. How to mine underground and how to determine how deep these veins are. And I don't see how you can tell. And like if I look at this one here, for example... It shows it. Well, I guess I can come here to the side, but that only works for the ones near the edges. Everything else, no idea. But we could do a drill here. Let's try this anyway. And I'd like to put it... See again? I'd like to put it here. And then eventually we'll have to get power down here, and eventually we'll have to run a belt from the docking port. But for now, we'll just use local power, like we did before. And I have this for a reason. Shift-click, give me 20. That'll be more than enough to get you going. And then it'll just store it up inside here, and it'll collect the dirt first. And then it'll eventually find its way down to the iron. And we'll leave it alone. I guess we could probably look for some other near-surface veins. Ah, parts just got finished. But I don't know how to find them. Other than the ones that are already on the surface. There's a carbon there that's actually on the surface. This iron vein looks like it might be close enough. Maybe. But it's way... No, it wouldn't be because it's at the top of the mountain. Let's see. That's titanium. That's uranium over there. Aluminum there. Quartz rocks. I'm assuming you can mine the ice too. So please, if you do know how to more easily find out how deep these are and make sure we can get them with that drill. Although I think someone said that that drill's not actually in the demo. So for anybody... Oh, here's the surface one. Let's do this one too then. For anybody playing the demo, they're not actually going to be able to do that anyway. All you have in the demo is the actual mine itself. Mine is a terrible thing to waste. Okay, so we're going to get some ice with this, which is not a bad deal. I need to take out this this pillar, I guess. Because it's not going to let me do what I want to do with it being there. All right. It's only got 3 in it, but it takes many hits in order to unlock. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's only 1 set of hits. That's good. I keep hitting the wrong buttons. Here we go. And the giant drill, I'm assuming it needs aluminum plate, but I'm assuming maybe it either digs deeper or digs wider or both. I think we'll do it like this if we're going to do this. Just like that. Set up a power thing for you. This way, please. And we'll do power here. And then we'll feed you the other 20 carbon for now. And yeah, you'll get me some ice, and you'll get me some dirt, and you'll find me some iron eventually. Our 3 grabbers are still grabbing away, which is good. Hopefully they're getting a reasonable variety here. A decent amount of ice coming in. We might need to use that. Gold as well. We're going to set up smelting for gold pretty soon. And I think what I'll do with that is take it out and point it kind of that way. Let's see. We need to move, or actually probably just get rid of this one now, this carbon reactor now. We need to move this, all the water-based stuff actually, not just that one. And I don't know exactly where I want to move that to anyway, but we need to move it. We definitely need to move it. You contain 124 water, though. So maybe we should say, hey, make us a bunch of oxygen tanks. Like 20 or so. That way we can get there. And drain this water out. Because if I can't move this without losing it, I don't think. I'm pretty sure. So we need to drain that out. What is hydrotonic? It needs quartz. Don't know what it does. Produced by a hydro generator. For hydration. Okay, so that's for the colonists, I assume. We can make some more hydrogen cells. We'll need some more carbon for that. I'll go ahead and make the 2 we have here. 2 we have the carbon for, that is. Did I pick up anything for you? Oh, holy crap. Yes, I did. Eat away at that stuff, please. I think we can probably take apart our thrusters again. And then we'll want to move all of this stuff. And we'll leave the science here until the very last moment. But, yep. So let's go ahead and set up the smelting area for gold. Once it's smelted, it's going to still need to go in here to make plates. So we're going to still need one of these. Let's take it out here. some way. Wait, don't do that yet. We need to do the logic block first for the filter. Otherwise, we'll get everything on that belt. Gold, please. And we should actually probably figure out where we should put this before we start placing things. That's our smelter. It could just go here-ish. I think I'd like to turn it out a little bit, though. Maybe like here. The reason being, we're going to want to have some more of these over here, perhaps, in this belt running along here. And I can't really delete the tile where the wire's got to go if there's a belt that needs to go there. So, or I can't really put the wire there if there's a belt that needs to go there. All right, and then let's go here. And we'll actually go this way, maybe. And then like this. And then that'll get that going. We just need to plug it in. Yum. Ah, good. Here's where I had the wire coming through. I don't have any wire. Did I? Also, I just noticed that we clipped into some of those pillar things. Did I make any more? I did. Okay, good. Let's grab some more of the copper plates. Oh, we have a few of those. Half of them. I don't think I want 60 of them in my inventory. That's 8, so that'd be 16 more. No, sorry, it's 8 stacks of 5, so that'll be 80 more. And then we'll do this. Continue this power this way, and then we'll come into that one. All right, that should start smelting the gold. It is. It is. And then we do a bin. Here. I think I'll put it this way, maybe. No, I'd better not. Better put it this way. Actually, I can put it right there. Yeah, that'll work. And then a manufacturer. I have no idea where that's at on these. Constructor. Wait a minute. Constructor? Yeah, constructor. That's this one. That'll come in either here or here. I think I want this way. Go away thing. Go right there. Take this out. Take that out. Okay, you can feed into that and we'll power this up. Excuse me, asteroids. Oops. I missed a step. Okay. I'm out. You're still going, that's great. And we definitely need to put that manufacturer in the line for this, so that I don't have to keep hand feeding it. This goes here, that goes there, and we're online now. But I need to get this other stuff out of the way first. So we should be... Oh, and I have one more to do. This one right here. We're online now. There was the lightning bolt there before. Now we're making gold plates, which we'll be able to make into gold wire, I believe, once we... Or we did unlock the thing. I think. Nope, we haven't unlocked it yet. T for tech. We unlocked parts. That turns copper wire into electronic parts at... It's used for motherboards. At a constructor. And then the motherboards are made at... The two of those at a manufacturer. Okay. You might as well do these as well. Are you going to take... No, you don't take that. Solar energy. Actually, let's do solar energy. That unlocks golden wire. What are you doing? We have 40 stored water now. I would need more carbon for that, and you're still going... Wait, we only have 40 stored? I have... Oh, I have one left in the craft. Okay, then let's make another 9. This will last us for a while then. The manufacturers could actually go out the side bit here, maybe. Like if we do, I hear that bot still bopping away over there. If we do something like this toward the manufacturer, we could put in another bin right here for these guys, like alongside of it, kind of. I'll do like that, and then I'll put in a splitter block. Oops, wrong button. One of these days I will remember the buttons for all the games separately. That'll go into there, and we'll do the same over here once we can do the same over here. We do have a little bit more room on this side versus that side, but I want to run stuff over here that's different, so we'll kind of mirror this once we have the space. Once that's done processing. It's going to come out this way. And then we'll put in this. Actually, I might be able to... Nope, can't fit it. Just barely can't fit it. As far as I know, too, we don't have any sort of speed controls. So the game just runs at the game's speed, and and it's a lot of games like this are that way, but I'm just saying that there's no speed control for it. And that's going to fill up this because we don't have anywhere it's going. We could probably do away with the recycler now. I have more stuff to recycle, though, but I always have more stuff to recycle. And I don't know where I'd want to put the recycler either. Kind of permanently. Oh yeah, they just poked through, isn't it? Wait, no, we can't. Get closer. Take this out. There we go. And it's gone. But we could do like another one of those right here, just barely. Feed it into there, and then we could do another one over here if we wanted. That'd be 5 of them. That's pretty good, I think. And they'll all be oriented in slightly different ways, so they can scoop in their asteroids. You're not done yet. I think you're done, though. Yeah, you're done. Let's go ahead and delete this. I think I'll just delete the bot, too. Because I don't know what I'm going to use it for. We'll just recycle it. We have another rock poking through. Maybe. There we go. Rock around the clock. H stored. Just about there. And we're starting to put these in, so I think we can get by without maybe making a mess too much. Let's see here. Input, input, output. I see, I kind of like to tuck it in like here. Yeah, I'm going to have to find another place to put a recycler because we get too much stuff. It's going to take this one up, though. I think we're fine. We've got enough wire made that we'll be fine until we're ready. You are 4 stored. Are you still producing? No. Why? How did I miscount that? Oh, maybe I thought it was still processing one when it was done. That would do it. Okay, 0, 0, 0. So maybe we could put the water-related stuff in one place and then also put the recycler nearby. Although the recycler could feed into the warehouse too? Kind of. I don't know if I like that idea or not. I guess we could set it up like way over here though. Maybe we could just set the water stuff up way over here. All of it. Oops. Clicky. Click, 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 and then the oxygen. Oh, that's fine. We can put that near the center. I want that near the center, more so than it is now. You could just put it in right here, actually, or wherever. Actually, maybe I'll just put it in right there. Let's actually take this out. Oxygen barrier. Do I have those on my toolbars here? Any right there? Because all it needs is power. So we'll just tuck it in right there, and that'll be fine. Delete this. Let's go ahead and delete all of this. And also all of that. Oh, I should have turned that oxygen barrier. It's... go away, asteroid. Let's do it. It's only stuff... There we go. Okay, and that's probably not working because it needs oxygen tanks with an active oxygen generator. But we can put that back up over here. So we need to have the water thingy. Not the oxygen generator first, but the water. That hydro generator. Is it kind of mining, is it? No. Farming? No, not yet. Gadgets? That's not a gadget. Gadget. Oh, utilities, duh. Icebreaker. That's what it's called. Okay. Water out. Ice in. Yeah, we want ice to come in from there automatically. So putting this over here is a good idea. Put it like here, I guess. And what I want to do is take this belt out from here. Let's do a logic block. And yeah, we don't have any water right now. Filter. Go here. Put ice in. Now the issue is going to be that now we've used up all of our really available outputs and we have a lot more things to get out of here. I could take something out from here or here and just do something crazy with it. Even take it into another warehouse over here for anything that's not otherwise filtered. That's an idea. We'll go there, there, and then we'll go up, and then we'll go flat again. Oops, there. Oops, here. And then we'll come back down again. Just a little bridge. Ice bridge. Maybe not, actually. Do this slightly differently. Take this and that, like that. And then we'll do this. And then we'll go here. And then we can go down. And then we'll go across. Because again, I'm thinking of at least one more of these things here. And the ice can go into there. Wait a minute. Did I set that filter? I did not. I got lucky. It was only kicking out ice for some reason. Probably because it's in the first slot. That'll do it. I'm guessing. You go in there. You make of the ice. Or make of the water, I mean. So then we want to have a water pipe here. We'll just do like a water bus, and we can put these things go away. Just like off to the side, like next to like this kind of thing, because it's just here as a buffer. So it's fine to do what it does. We need to take out this, by the way, to put power in here. And we need to also put down the oxygen thingy before we run out of oxygen. Hydro. Oxygen generator. Oh, that needs power there. What is the belt input for on this? I don't know. Let's do this way then. Just in case. Just side on here. This goes here then. And then we can do this and this. I should put the power down to that, like that. That way they're there and ready to go when I go underneath and build the power bus. We'll leave this space open in case we need it for something. Actually, you know what? I should have put this pipe underground as well, or under floor as well. Let's change that. And let's take out this and this. And then we'll take the pipe down as well. If I can target properly without taking out that other pipe. Maybe I can get it from underneath. Yeah, let's do it like that. Now I'm going to bring the pipes down an extra level. And I think that'll be fine, like to there. Let's hook the power up for these things. That way we have things going. Bring the power down this way, please. And we're going to go to there. Put that in. And we'll run this power this way. I think to there like that. Now at least we can produce our oxygen again. Hopefully. I want you to make... Well, no, I want you to... See, I don't know that I want it running constantly. That's the thing. I don't understand with this game yet. How do I make it not run constantly? You go there, please. Because I don't want it to just consume ice just for fun. If it's gonna... I mean, this is, I suppose, but... I don't know. I don't know that I want 1,000,000 oxygen tanks. Maybe I do. By all means, tell me. But I don't know if I do or not. Alright, and then we can put up the hydrogen one, which is in the next bit here. And this one, we definitely need that belt input for the carbon, which we're going to have to figure out how to get over here. But let's do it like this, I guess. And I don't know what the output's going to give me either. I guess, oh, because we use hydrogen to build some things, I guess. Oops. There and there. Slurp. This goes here. This goes here. Okay. Power continues this way. Like that. And then water continues this way. And I'm out of iron wire. I'm going to have to handcraft that because I think I took down the manufacturer, didn't I? And I haven't built the new ones yet. That's fine. We'll just handcraft a little bit of it. Free. Okay. Should also check these out, see how it's going. Did you get it all? You still have fuel left. Oh, yes, you did. You have eaten a hole in the side of the mountain. Nice. There you go. So now hydrogen has the water input. We'll deal with that, with the carbon a little bit later. I mean, maybe I could just hand feed that carbon for all that we're going to need it. Although it seems like we may need it more, but for all it seems like we need it for right now. All right, so let's put in the storage bin for this. Now that we've cleared out what we needed to clear out here and replaced the build, which is the more important bit. You go there. This is going to have to get removed because we need to go that way with it. Manufacturer. Nope. Yes. Power is here. Let's just go there. 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 And then you're just going to make iron wire till, I guess, till the cows come home. Yeah, we definitely need to replace this now. At least need to get rid of this wire. Will you break already so that I can work here? This. Like that. Nope. Just like that. That and this. Delete. Slurp. Okay. Oh, the power is here, though. Oh. Maybe we could do something similar but different. In which case, I have put the action thing in the wrong spot again. Let's move it. I've only moved this thing 14 times now, so let's put it on this side instead. One more time's never gonna hurt. And I'm just gonna do a surface wire here then to make my life simpler. Should I move this one over one bar? Maybe. Maybe. Take that, take this. In which case I need to take those as well. Which means I need to put down one of these, which is a floor metal middle. No, it's actually just a actually just a floor metal white. Floor metal white. Yeah, let's do that. That way they're kind of mirrored of each other. There. And there. And you get a bunch of these. To have. I'm going to keep some, though. For my own nefarious purposes. Mostly, that is, building these belts. Oops. It's hard to tell the difference between the black floor and the black belts, but what are you going to do? Let's do this and this. That. Okay. Then these will run once I have power. Or those are already running. This will run once I have power. That's right, that's where I took the other one out, so I need to do some funkiness here a little bit, like that. I could put a foundation block in, though, back in there. Should I? Maybe. Maybe. Okay. So we should be getting wire. We are. And we should be getting wire. We are. Great. Now we need to do the same for this. This one's going to look a little bit different because of the different positioning. But it'll basically be the same. This is where I'm storing... no, I'm not storing gold bars in there because or gold plates in there because... Gold bars in there because I didn't put a splitter here. Let's do that. I don't have any gold bars left. I have some in my inventory, though. I'm going to give you those because I don't know that I craft anything with gold bars. Maybe I do. And that made the plates. So now we want to run half of those into another bin. There it is. Maybe we'll just put it like right here. And then we can do another manufacturer for the other half to go into gold wire. Oh, right there. Okay, then this will work. This will actually work to go right here then. Yep, I'll do that. There you go. Here. And then we do splitter into there. Okay, so now the parts we're missing. One is the recycler. I could just put the recycler here, though. If I pretend that I'm going to put another one of these in, let's see, mining, in right here, which I don't have the stuff for it, but I'm going to pretend, and I'm going to put one of those in here. It'll just barely fit right there. And that'll come out onto this belt, just like the other one. But I could put the recycler in. Oh, I do need the gold for that. Oops. Give me back my gold. I could just put the recycler in down here, like this, and just say, hey, you can also run onto that belt. It's got to go over by one, and then go zoop right into there, and I'm out of iron plates. Do I have any? Oh, yes, I do. I knew what I did, but I was being coy. Alright, and that should work still. I'm assuming these can side load just fine. Well, we'll find out right now. Boom. Okay, so this needs power. Which means I need to take this out and take that out. Put this in here. I guess I could have gone one closer, so I wasn't right on the edge here, but that's fine. And then you can go into there. And now recycling. Yeah, we need to put some more power up too. Recycle all of that stuff. And what that's going to do is it's just going to chuck it back into the bin here. And I'll have to come over here and get what I want, or over here, and get what I want out of here once in a while. But for now, it is good enough. Maybe later when we have, you know, second floor or something, I'll take the output of one of these, maybe one of these or something, up to another bin worth the next set of stuff we're going to use. And then maybe we'll move the recycler up there then. Since this is all going to be like, whatever that is. Oh, iron plate and stuff like that. And all these hydrogen bottles, tanks, whatever you want to call them. And things like that that we don't necessarily, which by the way, I can dump those in here too, that we don't want in this bin, that we're not going to use anywhere, but we don't really have a way to grab them, put them anywhere else. So we'll just do that for now. At least I have one place to go for, hey, I need some stuff here. We'll just grab out like that. The other option would be, of course, to, you know, base this whole factory around like a line of these. Just say, hey, pull out, pull out the iron ore from this one, smelt it, feed it back into the next one, and say, hey, that's got all the iron ore, or all the ingots in it, rather. And then go to the next one, pull out the ingots from that one, go into the next one, which has all the plates. Then the next one would have all the wires and so on. So that's another idea maybe that we could have done for this base. But I think we've done enough for today. We did a bit more automation. We'll need to move and reset our lab in the next episode. But we'll do that, and then we'll get some more science done, and then we can move on from there. But for right now, I think we're good. We'll just kind of let the base keep doing this. We have a crap ton of iron we need to pick up from this here. It ran out of power. Hopefully it ran out of stuff to drill. I think it did. And I'm assuming the other one did as well. We'll go take a look at that next time too. So thank you all for joining me, and I will see you all then. Bye for now.